Hello everyone. Before the video begins, I'm gonna warn you that you may hear adorable budgie sounds. As you read from the title, today we will ask ChatGPT JavaScript Interview Questions. So let's begin. This is pretty famous question and it can be answered like with detailed answer and shortly. The ChatGPT outlined that main difference between them are their scope, and this is true. And it provided pretty detailed answer. So shortly, I would say that variables are declared with let can be used with the const keywords to create variables that cannot be reassigned, providing better variable immutability. Okay, let's continue. Pretty popular question as well. And it can be answered pretty shortly. But I like how it started. Okay, great. Now let's ask next question, which is in JavaScript, null and undefined are both used to represent the absence of value. When you first create a variable, by default it's undefined, but null is when you explicitly give it the value of null. So it means that there is no value. This answer, I like this answer pretty much, so good job ChatGPT. Now let's move on. This is a pretty popular question and people have asked me a lot of time, so let's see how would ChatGPT answer that. It is providing an example which is very good. Yeah, well, shortly I would say that closure is a fundamental concept in JavaScript that allows functions to remember the variables in their lexical scope even when the function is executed outside their scope. Closure is a mechanism that enables features such as private variables and methods. Very good. I'm gonna ask you the last question for this video, which is pretty famous as well. This is oh, it is not sorry, my bad. I expect that ChatGPT can write down at least 3 methods to manipulate with document object model. And of course, this first one is get element by ID. Bravo! It's writing the fourth one as well. Pretty good, I'm impressed. But of course, you are ChatGPT. Well, I think that when the interviewer asks this question, you should be able to talk about at least 3 methods to impress him or her, and this answer will help you a lot. If you ask me while you're asked this question, you can also talk about how would you optimize the performance with a document object model. Well, my budgie agrees. So, I think ChatGPT answered all questions pretty well. Let me know in the comments how did you liked it, and see you in next one.